responded. He's waded into this debate. Akhilesh Yadav says BJP has only fueled inflation to benefit their own people. Let's listen in.
ये इसलिए है कि मुनाफा कुछ लोग कमा कर कल विदा हो जाएंगे कुछ लोग, कि इन्होंने अपने लोगों को मुनाफा कमाने के लिए महंगाई का बढ़ाने का काम किया है, अपने लोगों को मुनाफा कमाने दे रहे हैं। आखिर मुनाफा किसके पास जा रहा है?
अपने लोगों को मुनाफा देने के लिए. Pragya, this is what Arvind Kejriwal also said. So opposition first rejected the exit poll numbers. They're saying they've done their own Janta poll which says 295 plus for them. They're also rejecting the high in the market, saying that the numbers have been jacked up. This is a narrative which has been peddled to benefit their own. अपने लोगों को फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए हो रहा है.
Well, Swati, if that is the case, I think Akhilesh Yadav should also tell their people, his people, in fact, to put money in the market. And, you can earn profit before the market closes today. So if you are so serious about the allegation, I think you should do that, and why should you not? In fact, this is the message that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he spoke about the stock market, he said the coming years are very good for the India. India is paving way for development and a lot of other things. You should invest in the market, and that what is the harm in sending the message across to your people? And if that is, and if you are saying that if opposition is saying that their government is coming to power, what will stop them from taking action against those who are fueling this so-called manipulative, soaring of the market? You can always take action against them. You can always go back and say that you manipulated the market and now is the time to face the music. But they are not going to do that. This is the time when there's a very little time before the results come in, and this is the only way that they can attack BJP right now and also say that it has nothing. This is a fake manipulative soar that we are seeing. There is no sentiment on the ground because opposition has already said that they are going to get 295, and this is the larger message they are also sending across to the workers who are also manning the strong rooms or who will be ensuring that the counting is free and fair. There is appropriate counting who will be placed on.
Stay on with us. We have yes, we have Ajay Alok of the BJP joining us. Ajay Alok, Akhilesh Yadav says this is all being done to benefit your own people.
See, today I don't want to talk about negative people and their negativity. They have been spreading this negativity all through the elections. And now positive things are happening in the country and everybody is jubilant with the positive mood. Here comes a negative personality again. So people of this country have decided to reject these negative personalities and their negative thoughts. We don't have time for that now.
All right, you're saying you don't have time for negativity anymore, but the opposition says all of this being done, the positivity in the market is because of the numbers of the exit poll that have been jacked up by the BJP to benefit their own people. So what of words there now on the high that is being witnessed in the markets. Thank you very much to Pragya for getting us the details. We're moving on now.